Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. Trigger select on the PipeWorx 400 allows the operator to utilize different parameters or processes without going back to the machine front panel. For example, the operator can weld an RMD root and then switch to pulse. The desired MIG process type and parameter settings should first be loaded to each memory location prior to welding. These parameter settings are made at the wire feeder front panel. Press and release the Trigger Select button to enable or disable memory locations 1 through 4. At least 2 memory locations must be enabled, but as many as 4 memory locations can be enabled. Once parameters are set, quickly squeeze and release the gun trigger in less than 0.2 seconds while not welding to select the next enabled memory location. If the gun trigger is pressed and held for 0.2 seconds or longer, the memory location will not advance and parameter settings will remain at the current settings.